If you're bulking without enough protein, you're building fat and burning muscle at the same time. Day 6 fixes that number. Hard gainers focus only on calories. But calories without protein are like building a house with no frame. The scale goes up, but your body composition doesn't improve. Funny moment, you know that guy who eats 4,000 calories and looks the same after 3 months? He skipped protein. A 2024 sports medicine meta-analysis of 49 randomized trials found 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram per day maximizes hypertrophy. Morton et al., Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition 2024, found protein above 1.6 grams per kilogram gives diminishing returns for most natural lifters. Leucine threshold, about 2.5 grams per meal, triggers muscle protein synthesis. Spreading intake across 3 to 5 meals hits that threshold consistently. 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. That is the range most lifters need for real growth, not just scale weight. Here is your 3-step Day 6 action plan. Step 1. Weigh yourself in kilograms. Multiply by 1.8, the middle of the range. That is your daily protein target in grams. Step 2. Split it across 4 meals, roughly 0.4 to 0.5 grams per kilogram per meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a pre-bed option. Step 3. Pick complete proteins: chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, whey, or lentils plus rice. Let's bust the myth. More protein is always better. 3 grams per kilogram will supercharge gains. Truth. Beyond 2.2 grams per kilogram, the extra protein is oxidized for energy, not added to muscle. You're wasting money and risking unnecessary metabolic load. Let's recap Day 6. Target 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram per day. Spread it across 4 meals to hit the leucine threshold each time. Complete proteins plus timing beats simply loading up at dinner. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 7, we cover 5 simple ways to hit your calorie target every day.